We are here playing that sound game with some awesome beatboxers. We got...
What's up, guys? It's Tayo.
Yo, I'm JACKNASTY.
I'm Dan.
Ice.
Okay, let's play.
It's A for action.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1, sounds.
Straw. Water.
Fuck. Wait.
Ringtone. Important phone.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Let's start to round over.
A straw. What? Sweeping. Broom. Mop.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Driving. Traffic. Ambulance.
Can I talk?
Police car.
Huh?
Police car.
No.
Backing up.
Yeah.
Reversing.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. Oh.
Is it done?
And you're out of time.
That's.
We'll give you 5 extra seconds.
Cooking. Pan. Showering. What is that? What is that?
That's time.
What is it? Peeing?
Okay, so because you passed 3, we get 3 points.
Fuck.
And you guys got 4 points.
We got 4.
P.
Okay, we got the P's.
Peas.
I'm ready.
What is the peas?
I have no clue what the P's actually means.
I flip the time after you take the card.
Yes, okay, ready? And go. Hut.
Marching? Army? Soldier?
Yes.
Oh. Kenny Urban. Police siren. Ambulance. Oh, war? Oh, a car accident. Hospital.
Guess.
Pirates? Easy. Choir. Opera.
Yeah.
MB14.
What are these cards?
Michael Jackson.
Oh, yeah.
It's so easy. That's what. Yeah, that didn't work.
What?
Time's
Oh, it's time.
Okay, you got 3 points. The ones I passed were police. You said police siren, but it just wasn't correct. I was trying to do like shooting. Grave digger, I had no clue what to do. And triathlon, it was just too short a time to like do all 3.
All right, this is kind of fun. Yo, the peas is good.
The P's are easy.
You got freaking Michael
I think it's
Jackson.
like person, like people as the peas.
You got I? Oh, yes.
Incident.
Incident cards.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Okay. You draw.
3, 2, 1.
What's behind the back? Car crash.
Oh yeah. Let's go.
Electric. Shocking. Shock. What? Getting shocked. What? I don't know. Skip.
Well, he said electric. He said electric.
I
Does that
did. I
count?
don't know. This one counts. What the fuck? I literally said electric.
Okay.
Okay.
Laughing. What the fuck? Crazy. Crazy.
Okay, pass.
What the fuck is this? Sick. Cough. Sick. COVID. Getting COVID.
No.
Sick. Coughing.
Okay, pass.
Dizzy.
Time's out.
Okay.
I'm not sure how long time was out for.
Okay.
Bro, flu?
Yes,
Why are
swine
you
flu.
coughing?
I don't know how to do swine
Dude.
flu.
I've got it.
You got 4 points, we got 2. Also, you did use your arms, but I'll let it slide.
Oh yeah. Okay.
So we would get a point for that, but I'll let it slide.
Okay.
There's also like X-rated cards, like sex cards.
They're not in this pack, but they're like orgasm or like giving birth. We're not playing with those cards right now, though. Maybe next time.
All right.
You got the object. All right, you ready?
Okay.
Dum 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 pa pa dum dum.
A jazz quartet.
Dum.
A bass. A bongo.
Yes.
Banjo? That's pretty good. A air one?
Chugga 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 chugga.
A choo-choo. A train.
Yeah.
A choo-choo. A clock. Oh, he's good at this. Roller coaster? Roller coaster.
Yeah.
Motorcycle? Wow.
Bing bong.
An elevator? Race car. And time's out.
Okay.
A drill. Okay, so we didn't get that one. So you guys got 1 point. We got
Jill.
you guys
Yeah.
got that one.
I was thinking of like an electric drill.
5.
Oh, dude, that would have been funny.
All right, we got 9 points that round.
Yo.
Roll again.
All in?
You pick the category, and we all guess.
Whoa.
Oh, okay.
But it's 2v1, which makes it hard.
Yeah, you gotta make it just for me. The sound. Of
I'll make it that you will understand. Okay, the time?
Yes, go.
Fuck.
the
At the
doorbell.
bell.
Yes.
Oh, you got it first.
Now then, let's go.
It's raining on me.
Whistle.
Firework. An explosion.
Missile.
A rocket ship.
Oh.
A rocket.
Yes. Go then.
Let's go.
What? Okay.
Reversing. What?
Try to combine it.
Reversing. Full driving. Driving.
No, this one is hard.
Okay.
So is that a pass?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
pass.
Wait, no, so yeah. Yes. Almost out of time. Banjo? No, we already did banjo.
Guitar.
Yeah.
Electric guitar. Bass guitar.
Yes.
Oh, nice. We're just letting them have it. Last.
The snare drum.
No.
All right, you're out of time. What was that one? Jackhammer? Oh, so you just nodded at me? Okay, so we got 1 point. Nice job. That was good. You got one. We got 1 point. You guys got 4.
Yo.
Let's go.
That's good. That one was car alarm.
Car alarm.
I don't know how to
That's
explain.
Oh, it's like.
No, it's like. Oh yeah.
Yeah. But also, you know those old car alarms that have like multiple different tones. All in again. All right, I'll let you choose. Which category should I do?
We haven't done nature yet.
All right, nature. Okay.
Let's try it.
Flip the timer for me.
Okay, ready, go.
Lion.
Hi. Wolf.
Bear.
Dog.
But bee.
Yeah, you said it first.
Fly.
Let's go.
Duck.
You said it first.
Donkey.
I think you said it first.
Eagle.
Happy.
Oh. Woodpecker.
Sneezer.
Ah. What?
The one. What's it?
Woodpecker.
All right, pass then.
Woof.
Dog.
Dog.
Dolphin. Wing.
Last one. Pass. It was a lionfish. What is a lionfish? This was dolphin. I went.
Oh, that was dolphin. Dolphins go there.
They make that sound, yeah.
What the?
Yeah, you can find it. Okay, so look, we all got some points. So we got 3. You guys got 4.
Oh, that's pretty good. I'll do it El Dorado style. Yes. Let's go. Okay. Ready?
Make sure you have that like as close to you. All right, ready? Go.
Siren. Police. Ambulance. Fire. What is it in English? Fuck. Skip.
Firefighter. We stole it.
Fish. Swimming. Drowning.
Oh, isn't steel scuba diving?
Yeah.
Wow, I've never get this.
Oh, this is too hard. Skip that.
Wolf.
Steel. Howling. No, we lost our steel.
Wolf. Werewolf.
Oh, we got our steel card back. We're going crazy with the steals on this round.
When your legs don't work like they used to before.
Uncuff him.
Time.
What is this? Wedding singer, bro.
So we got, you passed this one, so we get 1 point for that, but it's 2, 6.
I don't think you still.
No, we didn't see the firefighter. I said fireman.
No, he got fire. He said fire.
Fireman is not a firefighter.
Bro, what is the difference between werewolf
Kinda.
and wolf?
Werewolf is
like
you know the one.
human that turns into
You know the moon.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was hard. These were so hard.
Okay, last round.
Last round, you make the sounds.
And we got it right. We still had the green. So that was good.
A for action. I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Okay.
3, 2, 1. Sound. Panting.
What? No.
Oh, fishing. Yawning. You guys are not fast enough. Whistling.
Okay, what did
Yeah, no.
Whispering. You have to say steal before you steal it. Coughing.
Wheezing.
Okay, you got it.
Steve,
Gulping. You swallowing.
swallowing.
Spitting.
Spitting. Steve, snorting.
What? I wasn't even aware of what's going on. Sniffing. Wait, what? You got sniffing? I said sniffing. Sneezing. Let's go. That's it. The time's up. Time's up.
Let's go.
All right. How many points did you guys get on that round?
4.
Wow, you guys got all of those. Okay, 4, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, fishing was a 3-point. 7, and we got another 9-point round.
Oh.
I'm just goated, dude.
Let's see those final scores. Oh, we got 38,
And us?
32. So we beat you by 6.
You guys won?
We beat you by 6 points.
How did you guys win? It looks
I don't
like
know.
we won.
All right, good game. That was pretty good. This was pretty fun. I would definitely play it again.
This is actually good, yeah.
All right, let's pack it up. All right, wait. Before we go, before you go, give a crazy beatbox sound. Wow. Wow. I'll go.
Let's go.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Bye, YouTube.
Let's talk.